Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, I want to share something. Before we are providing all the assignments in the PDF and the assignments. For this, you can call us or message us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need other requirements or other help related to studies, you can also contact. So conduct a comprehensive study of 18th century India. So question is, and focusing on the significant changes and development during this period. Based on your studies, discuss the following aspects of the 18th century India. Emergence of major regional powers and personality such Marathas as Sikhs and the Rajput kingdoms. Cultural infusion, explore the elements of the continuity and the change, summarize your findings and reflect on how the 18th century has shaped the India we know today. So we have prepared from the lesson 15 and according to the word limits. If you need answers, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.